Hi, so this is my review of the Mimic simulation. Um, so it was a little bit challenging for me for the first round. I don't know what was going on with me, but I just wasn't understanding it quite well, I guess you could say. And it wasn't until like the very end when I was putting the ad together and everything like that, my slogans and the websites and stuff, that it was finally starting to make a little sense. So the first round I didn't do very good. I got something in the second round, and I think I did really well there, a lot better. For when I go through all of my, like the profit and everything, I only recorded my first round, unfortunately, but I did better the second round. I feel like sometimes it just takes a couple tries till you get something right. Um, so overall, my profit, again, this is the first round. My profit for the ad campaign was $0. Profit for the email was $134.49. My email did better, I think, because that's when I started to realize how to like work it, how to like, I don't know. It was kind of confusing at first. I don't think I read the directions very well. My budget was $4,000. I only spent $281. I think I set my budget way too high. I definitely could have spent way more money though, but I definitely think $4,000 was a little much. Um, for how many clicks I got, clicks are like when somebody visits your website, and I got one. Conversations are people talking about your website and stuff. I got 0 for conversations. I feel like not a lot of people were visiting my website because my ad campaign wasn't very good. Um, the second round I did better. Email campaign, again, like I said, got a lot better the second round. I sent out 11,492 emails. 1,380 people opened them. I can't remember what this one was, but I put 3. I believe it was like how many people responded or something like that. And then I think the reason I got more more feedback from the email campaign was because I kind of finally understood what I was doing and made the campaign a little bit better. But yeah, it was a really cool simulation. I'm actually doing a simulation in my other class, Marketing Principles. We're doing like a marketing game. It's a little bit different. We're like creating backpacks, and then we pick a target market and we have to create a backpack that fits those people and like what they'd want to buy, and you have to price it in the price range and make advertisements online, and it's really cool. I really enjoy it. But this Mimic simulation was really cool too. I wish I would have understood it a little bit better the first round, but I definitely got it the second. But yeah, that's my review of the Mimic simulation.